How to make a click animation in Wix Studio. First things first, head over and then select the element that you want to add that animation into. So for example, I'll add animation to this particular image. Let's click onto this particular element right here. And then from in there, once you have clicked on it, you should be able to actually access its animation. So from this inspector here, click onto this icon. Now you can see this. So we have in here this click option. So make sure to expand that. Now clicking on element will trigger an animation. So click onto this add option and then just choosing here the actual animation that you want. It can shrink, expand, skew, rotate, move, as well as a lot more options right here. So for example, for this, I'll head over and then choose in here this expand option. Now, what this will do is this will expand this particular image once it's been clicked. So you can now see in here a preview of what that will look like. So that's how you make a click animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.